How to use Power Ups in Trello. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can use Power Ups in Trello. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end so that all of your questions can be answered. The first thing to do is to log in into your Trello account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see your bots, you can see your workspace. The next thing to do is to scroll down and select the bot that you'd like to use Power Up for. After selecting the bot and you're brought to the bot interface, you can see the lists that you have available. And the next step is to double click on the card, okay, so that you can navigate to where the Power Up is. And then the next step is move to the left side of the screen. At the left side of the screen, you can see the option Add Power Ups. Now, Power Ups are like enablers. They are what allows you to do extras on your board, and there are different types. We have the SCR card priority, we have the Jira and Power Up, we have the two-way card mirror, we have the swim lane. So all you need to do is to select the Power Up that you'd like to use for your account, okay, or for your board. For me, I'll be working with the Google Drive Power Up, and then you can see details about the Power Up, which says once you use this Power Up, you'll be able to access your Drive files for a project directly from its card, or create and attach new drive files to your card, and then you can see more details about the Power Up by the time you click on it. You can also, by using this Power Up, you can bring your files and folders to your Trello cards. All right, so to add it, just click on add, and then just like that, you see that it has been added to your Power Up, such that to added to your card, such that members of your card can always access their drive files for a project directly from this card. Okay, so you can also do this for other Power Ups that you want. You can just check through for the Power Up, select it, add it to your card, such that anybody can carry out further function on your Trello boards using these Power Ups. But this is basically how you can use Power Ups in Trello. Thanks for watching and have a good day.